Well, I got my base weight figured out. I have the note sheet over there. I still got to total everything up, but I need to get the truck back down on the ground to get ready to test drive this. So we'll have some results here in just a second. Well, I got my final weights back in and I got everything totaled up. So here's where I'm at right now. So my left front's 1325, the right front's 1287, left rear is 1149, right rear is 1133, which brings my grand total to 4894. Keep in mind this is full street weight, so that's with the heavy, really heavy 20-inch wheels. That's with my big giant sub box with two 12s in the back seat, with the bed cover on. I mean, that's full. That's pretty much the heaviest this truck's ever going to be. So there's definitely room for improvements there, but it's actually probably a little bit more than what I expected it to be. I was thinking I was more like 4,600 pound range, but you know, it's not dreadful either. I mean, it's a four-door truck, long wheelbase, and I've done some heavier additions overall. I mean, the fiberglass bed cover probably weighs 60 or 75 pounds, something like that. And then each one of the wheels is I'm trying to remember. I think it was about 73 pounds, if I remember correctly, with the wheels and tires. So those are definitely a lot heavier than they could be. I could shave probably damn near 100 pounds just by putting a light set of wheels and tires on it. So like I said, overall it's pretty much about what I expected it to be at. You know, there's nothing stripped out of this truck. This is full on exactly what it would be driving down the road. So we'll do some more playing and we'll do some more weighing. I'm probably gonna weigh my toolbox since I have it here at the house at the moment, and just for comparison and curiosity, I'll figure out how much that dude weighs, and I'm gonna keep working on the truck. I've got a new / junkyard, new to me, passenger door for the right front, which is going to be fixing the remainder of the collision damage from back in 2009. Actually, yeah, 2009. And so I got to detrim this completely and tear down my door, move everything over, all that good stuff. So that'll be, now that I've got the truck back down on the ground, I can spin it around and work on, since I really don't have any clearances in here to work. So the truck will come out for a test drive to make sure that my carrier bearing is happy and drive shaft's all hopefully in better working condition now. And then I'll spin the truck around. I'll work on the door. While I have the door off, I'm probably going to start working on the fuse box location for the fuse box on the passenger floorboard, because it's just laying there right now. I do have a spot in mind to get it tucked up into the dash. I just haven't ever done it. So may have to make a small bracket for that, but shouldn't be any big deal. And then taping up some harnesses, but real exciting work, I know, but it's got to get done. So that's in the immediate plans, is swapping the door and then working on the fuse box and doing a test drive. Not necessarily in that order, but that's on the immediate plans. So we'll stay tuned and we'll do another video update as soon as we can. Thanks. Bye.